Polycrystalline silicon stacking. Polysilicon and semiconductor silicon wafer raw materials fill into a quartz dry pan. Single crystal growth. This is the process of converting polycrystalline silicon into single crystal silicon by melting polysilicon into a liquid state, then precise control of the thermal environment. Grow it into high-quality single crystal ingots. Ingot grinding and ingot dressing to dress the surface of single crystal ingot. It is then cut into pieces. Steps to facilitate subsequent processing. Wire saw cutting. Single crystal ingots are cut into multiple thin wafers through high-speed vibration suction wire. Edge grinding by trimming the wafer edge. Reduce the risk of rupture due to external shocks. Grinding. Place the wafer between the heavy plate and the base plate. Use abrasives to pressurize and rotate the wafer. Make its surface smooth. Etching. Dissolving with chemical solutions. And remove the physical damage to the wafer surface layer caused by the manufacturing process. Double-sided grinding. Making the wafer flatter. Remove tiny curvature on wafer surface. Rapidly heats the wafer in seconds. Make the point defects inside the wafer uniform. Inhibition of metal impurities. Prevent abnormal operation of semiconductors. Polishing by chemical and mechanical processing. Use abrasive. Simultaneously eliminate that microbend of the wafer surface. Is the last step in ensuring wafer surface flatness. Cleaning. Use chemical solutions to remove impurities and airborne particles from previous processes. Improve wafer cleanliness. Inspection. Use a variety of equipment to measure wafer details and product quality. Ensure wafer flatness and shape. Isoparticle technology precisely inspects wafer surfaces through laser scattering. Measure the size and number of surface defects. Epitaxial growth by chemical meteorological deposition. Growth of high-quality silicon single crystal thin films on polished silicon wafers. The final product packaging protects the product from external impact, dust, and moisture damage.